Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to install the Predator Carbon slip-on muffler for the Speed 400. So if you haven't done so already, go watch our video on how to remove the muffler from the Speed 400. And once you get that off, you're ready to install the Predator Carbon. So you want to slide your clamp on, put the nut end so it goes facing down in the back here. Slide that on. We can just slip that in. And then in your kit, you're going to have a stepped spacer. The smaller portion of the step goes in towards the frame. Get the stock bolt, put that back in. Put the stock nut back on. With our 5mm Allen, 13mm wrench. Tighten that up. And with a 10mm socket, tighten this clamp up. Want to make sure the clamp is out towards the edge there and is completely covering the notch hole so that it doesn't leak. And that's how you install the Predator Carbon slip-on.